Real Estate Investors Investor Search is a powerful tool for searching over 50 different property portals around Australia and New Zealand. We're going to have a look at how we analyse the results and quickly look for investment grade property. For the example today, I'm going to select Victoria and we're going to choose the Mornington Peninsula region. We're next going to choose a price range. In this case, let's use say $300,000 to $400,000 for our investment property. Actually, let's go $500,000. We're going to look for renovation type properties. We're also going to look at only houses. When I click search, the criteria we set will be retrieved by Real Estate Investors Investor Search, taking in data from over 50 different property portals. When the results are returned, you're going to be able to see what criteria you search for property. For example, we've looked for Mornington Peninsula, a renovation strategy, looking for houses between $300,000 and $500,000. In the results, we're going to see the properties as they appear on property portals around Australia. In this case, we're presented with a photo, the address of the property, when it was listed, and the data that we have on 3-bedroom houses within that suburb. In this instance, the median price for this property is $390,000. That's the median price for a 3-bedroom house within Rosebud. With this property being on the market for $450,000, it's at 115% plus of the median price. We also present the data on what the median price has been doing for that type of property in the area, and as you can see, it's been through a period of growth and then a bit of flatness. And we also show you what the cash flow is going to be from years 1 through to year 10. This includes both the cash flow and the capital growth that you might expect from this property. At any point, we can click Analyze in Full to do a full-blown cash flow analysis of a property. We can also click down to see the full property details as they appear on the property portal, in this case domain.com.au. Here's the text that the real estate agent has listed the property. We can click through to the main advertisement, in this case on Domain. We can look at the Google Maps and Street View. We can learn a little more about Rosebud on Wikipedia. We can also click through to local planning and council websites to identify what else is happening in the area. We've got sold prices, rental houses on both Homehound and Domain. Towards the bottom, we also have the vacancy rate, in this case a 1.9%, quite healthy, and it's tightened minus 0.05% over the last year. You can see the average days on market, the current listings in that suburb, as well as how many listings have been cleared in the last 30 days, producing a suburb-specific clearance rate. As we scroll down, we're able to have a look at some of the other suburb data that's available to us. For example, what other houses are for sale and at what prices? We have a look at what the breakup of the stock on the market is. We can also see what the rental listings are on the market and what price ranges they are. We can have a look at the ownership, renting and purchasing percentages within the suburb. When we click See Fewer Proper Details, we will remove all that information. As you can see, all that data is presented next to the listings. As we scroll down, if a suburb hasn't got enough data to present a cash flow snapshot, you'll see this little box here. To analyse the property, click through on Analyze in Full, and you'll just need to enter some data yourself because we're not able to retrieve it because there's a lack of data in that suburb. As we scroll down through all of our listings, we get to the bottom and we're able to look at what other listings have returned based on our search criteria. That's a review of Real Estate Investors Investor Search, specifically how to read the results of your search on our portal.